Hello everyone, today I am going to start with chapter number 9 of physics, current, electricity. So let us start with the first topic, which is direct current. What do you mean by this? Direct current is a current of constant magnitude flowing in one direction. And let us talk about cells. There are two kinds of cell, which are primary cells and secondary cells, also called as accumulators. Primary cells and secondary cells are the only two types of cell. First, primary cells are these which provide current as a result of irreversible chemical reaction. These are use and throw. And the second is secondary cell or accumulators, which are irreversible, which are not irreversible, and these can be used again and again. Some of the difference between them are primary cell or chemical reaction is irreversible and secondary cell chemical reaction is reversible. Also, primary cell cannot be recharged, but secondary cell can be recharged. And in the primary cell, its internal resistance is high, and in secondary cell, its internal resistance is low. Some of the examples for primary cells are simple voltaic cell, Daniell cell, dry cell, etc. And examples of secondary cell are lead or acid accumulators, NiFe or alkali accumulators, etc. Now let us talk about electric current. What do you mean by current? Current is a rate of flow of charge across a cross section normal to a direction of flow of current. Current is equals to charge upon time. Current is a scalar quantity. The SI unit of coulomb. The SI unit of current is coulomb, and it is also called as ampere. So 1 ampere is 1 coulomb upon 1 second. You should also keep in mind that in weak currents it is measured by milliampere, which is denoted by small m and capital A. Now let us talk about sources of current. There are two types of current sources, which are alternating current and direct current, which is DC. Alternative current sources are such as main in our house, and direct current sources are such used in cell or battery. The purpose of the source of current is to supply electric current, maintain flow of charge in a circuit. In laboratory, Daniell cell and lead accumulators are used as direct current sources. Now let us talk about key. So a key is used to put the current on and off in a circuit. It may be either a plugged key or switch key or a taping key. Then we have resistance wire, resistance box, rheostat or variable resistance. A resistant wire is generally made up of an alloy called manganese, and it has fixed resistance depending upon its length and thickness. It is used as a standard resistant. Then we have an ammeter, which means it is an instrument used to measure the magnitude of current flowing in a circuit. It is joined in a series of circuits so that the entire current of the circuit passes through it. Then we have voltmeter. Voltmeter shows the measure and potential between 2 points of a circuit. It is connected across the 2 points between which potential is to be measured. Then we have galvanometer. This galvanometer is used when we want to detect the presence of very weak current in an electric circuit, or to know only the direction of flow of current in the circuit. Seventh, we have load. This is an appliance which is connected in a circuit, which is called a load. Then we have connecting wires. These are the wires used to connect various electric components. These are made up of highly conducting metals such as copper or aluminum because it is of low cost. Then we come to the part simple electric circuit. So in our daily life we use a torch, in which a cell or a combination of 2 or more cells is connected to a bulb. This is the simplest electric circuit, which uses only 3 components: with cell, bulb and switch. Now, let us talk about conductors and insulators. What are insulators? These are the substances which do not allow current to flow through them. These are called insulators. Some of the examples are plastic, wood, paper, glass, leather, etc. And what are conductors? Conductors are the substances which allow current to flow through them easily. These are called conductors. Some of the examples are copper, aluminum, silver, iron, brass and steel. Now let us talk about closed and open circuits. The path along which current flows is called a circuit. Circuit flows only if the current is complete or closed. If the current is open or incomplete, current does not flow. So, for a simple term, electric current to be complete, each component of it must pass through current it should be conducting. If there is an insulator in the path, if it is broken, the circuit is incomplete or open and the current will not flow through it. This is our 6-minute video about exercise 9th A. I hope you like it. Make sure to subscribe my channel and tell me in the comment if you want exercise B to be explained. Bye.